like you enjoyed the past video with the road roller and balls, so I decided to make another video with the road roller and, yes, lighters. Actually, I have some videos about lighters on the channel. Watch it if you still haven't. But now let's talk about the road roller. It has no brakes, just a back and forward switch. And I prepared here some lighters. Well, I think everything is clear, so let's just do it. Holy, that was so cool in slow motion. Remember this road roller knife from the past video? Let's try it again. So cool. I wanna more. Let's repeat now. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.